guys, welcome back. I'm trying to finish up this little Victorian tree here of ours at the Deering Estate. And one of the techniques that they used back in the day, now it's giving me chills. Look at that. One of the techniques they used to use back in the day was something that we made very popular in modern times, in modern crafting, is called scrapping. Scrapping was very popular back in the Victorian age. And what it was is that they would keep every little ribbon, every little bow, every little card, every little everything, every little feather. And they used to make little decorations just like this one. And all of these down here. So let's make one just as an example. So they would keep a little box. It would be a little scrapping box. And these, for example, they would use actual tins. Now, I couldn't find actual tins that were inexpensive enough, but these from far away, it looks like these are little baking tins. Now these are made of paper, which makes it easier and lighter for your tree, especially if you have a natural tree. And that's what it looks like. And all you do is get printouts and keep cards and printouts. Let me see if I find one down here. Oh, this one's pretty. And you can find a lot of these scrapping things, of course, nowadays in our modern era. And although they would probably use glue or decoupage, I'm going to use, I know, I'm going to use a modern glue gun just to make it easy for all of us here today. And all I would do is take the tin, add the flowers, and pretty much it. Then they would add trim, however they would like it, and ribbons, and well, this is a lot of trim here. Look at this. Let's take some of this trim, make it easy on us. If I can find the end of this. I can find the end of this. Whoa, where's the end of this? It doesn't end. Is it one of those like unending? There it is! Ah! I'm trying to be sophisticated, people. It's not easy. Crafting is not sophisticated work for me. So all I'm going to do is add this little trim. And miraculously not burn myself. That's a first. It's a little messy. I was trying to rush it. I just cut off the end, and that's it. That's for the tin. And I'll show you how to do another one of the little decorations in just a little while. Oh, and then you add ribbon. Let's add this ribbon. Let's add this one like this. A little ropey rope thing here. I don't even know what the top or the bottom is of this, but we'll go for it. And there you have it. Lovely little tin, just like these. And it just adds so much sparkle to your tree. I'll be back for more paper scrapping, another paper scrapping idea for decoration in just a moment.